Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the NYLO Las Colinas Hotel in the Dallas, Texas area. I'm just wrapping up with the Frequent Traveler University Dallas conference here in early May 2026. Moved from one room to another, staying an extra night. See the greeting on the TV. Welcome, Justin. Hilton Honors Diamond status. They upgraded me to a 1-bedroom suite for this extra night, and it's quite spacious. See a large table, presumably for dining. I ordered from Grubhub locally using an Amex Gold credit, $9.73, completely covered by the $10 credit. We have a microwave, coffee maker, and a mini fridge. Outside of the bathroom, see toilet and a shower. Small sink area, just like the other room, unfortunately. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear. Please pardon the sink. But extra room for the toilet, it seems, compared to the standard room, and a sliding door for privacy in the bathroom. Large desk with some plugs, mirror. Pull out this chair and have space for a laptop. The king bedroom, see a large bed, a window in the back behind it, air conditioning unit up top, space for luggage on the bottom, and lots of lighting, lots of extra lamps, 2 lamps near the bed, natural light coming from the windows once I open them. Checking in here around 4 p.m. Extra chair, couch, a lot of features here in this 1-bedroom suite. Not a lot to see outside, but we see the Hilton flag, the American flag, and the state flag of Texas. And you can see the hotel signage, the NYLO Las Colinas Tapestry Collection by Hilton. Lots of rugs, art on the walls. See what appears to be a cow or maybe a steer. Some of the Texas imagery. See a bucket for ice and some cups. Extra drawers next to the laptop desk. Coming in a little bit of a hallway. I have my luggage down just for now. A plug here, charge extra devices, and a closet on the side. Ironing board, a room safe, extra bedding up top, hangers for clothes, and you could see a big view of the room. Very spacious walking into the laptop desk area, the bedroom off to the side, the couch. Not much of a dividing area. You do get a small wall here between the couch and the bed, but not too much for privacy if you wanted it. See some cars, some trucks outside pulling in. Lots of restaurants in the local area, just across the street. Several Indian restaurants, Japanese restaurant, and more options. Good location. I arrived at the airport. I took a free shuttle to the rental car area that got me closer here, and then it was less than $10 for a rideshare from the rental area. A little bit more time, but it saved me about $15 in rideshare credits, in Uber gift cards, Lyft gift cards, and so on. A quick tip to save money if you're coming here, to go to the rental center from the airport first to get closer. Otherwise, it might be about a 20-25 minute ride share to get here. Got this room upgrade. This is now Sunday night, approaching Sunday night. Friday and Saturday did not get the upgrade, but happy to have a larger room this time around. Staying the extra night after the conference to not be rushing. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Hilton Las Colinas. Stay tuned for more content.